Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl King Key and I'm back looking busty with another video. So right now, as you can see, I'm busted as heck. It just look crusty. The only thing I have on is my eyebrows. And I already primed my face. Because today I'm gonna be filming a Valentine's Day look. As you can see by the title, I'm also gonna be showing you all some actual outfit looks that you could tie in with the makeup. Not that I'm gonna have a Valentine's Day date or anything, but you know, just getting in a little spirit. So yeah, I'm just gonna zoom in on my face and I'm not gonna talk much on this video. So we're gonna get right into the look. I'll probably do a voiceover and let you guys know the products that I'm using, whatever. So yeah, we just gonna get right into the video. Okay, so I'm just showing you the brush that I'm going to use to do my eyeshadow and put on my transition shade. And I'm going to go into my matte book palette, and you see I'm using this shade right here. I'm not sure of the name, but I pointed to the shade so you can see. And I'm just going to apply it all into my crease. And now I'm showing you the next shade. It's a shade right under the one I just used. And I got a different fluffy brush to go ahead and add that right under the first shade. Now I'm gonna go into my Watch Me blush palette in the shade Berries. This is dark plum color, and I'm putting that even lower in my crease and on the outer edges of my lid to kind of deepen it up.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now I'm gonna use my Tarte Creaseless Concealer to go ahead and create a halo effect on my eye. Not a full cut crease, but just kind of cutting the middle out so that I can go ahead and add the glitter on top. Here, I'm just showing you the glitter that I'm gonna use. It's this light pink glitter. It's a loose glitter. Normally, when I apply this glitter, I would probably apply some type of glue or adhesive beforehand. But because this is just for the purposes of a video, I'm just gonna use that concealer to help the glitter stick. Otherwise, I would have used glue. But nonetheless, the glitter did stick using this. So if you don't like using glue on your eyes, you can use the concealer to help it stick. Just make sure it's still wet when you apply it. Here you see me just going in my inner corners with this highlighter shade from the It's My Ray Ray palette when she collabed with BH Cosmetics. I'm not sure of the shade and I didn't show you the palette, but I'll try to find a picture to insert. Alright, so I just finished the eyeshadow. I tried to do like a halo look. I'm not really sure if I like it too much, but we're gonna make it work because it took me a little while to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop my lashes on off camera, and I'm gonna come back when I finish doing that. Alright, for the rest of this video, I'm not really going to talk or do the voiceover for what I'm using because you guys have saw all of these products in my Get Ready With Me. They're the same products I'm using and you will see them on the screen. But since this is basically the eye, based on the eyeshadow look, then I'm not going to go into full detail about the rest of my face. So here is the finished makeup look. Lips looking kissable, thanks to Riri. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, and then I'm gonna come back on camera and show y'all some outfit options you can wear for your boo for Valentine's Day.
Cause I'm on the block.